Contractors, take this free 5-minute assessment to find the bottleneck that's killing your profit. Now, this is a very useful tool. Link's going to be directly below in the video description box. It'll be that first link. Click it. You can come on over here and check this out for yourself. You can take a free contractor business assessment to find your biggest growth bottleneck, best fit jobs, and the first system to fix. Get a practical 30-day action plan in minutes. So you got your assessment, field guide here, and facts. And this is a tool right here. It's absolutely free to use. It's going to take you through the 7 steps: work profile, services, customer fit, leads and sales, pricing and profit, operations, and positioning. And it's going to tell you your progress right up here. You just fill out a few boxes here on each page: marketing and positioning. And it's going to ask you questions here. Simple yes or no. Most of the time in the boxes, hit continue, and it's going to go through the 7 steps here, and then it's going to give you a full action plan for your business. And you can read all this, a bunch of helpful information on customer fit, profit margin, stabilize before expansion, all kinds of useful stuff with this tool. So, and it's got a bunch of facts with questions and answers about contractor business assessment. And, related questions about your contractor business that you're going to find helpful. So you want to check this out. Awesome tool. Links directly below in the video description box. Feel free to use it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.